Alright, sorry for the clickbait, but we needed a way to get you guys to click on the video because it's been like 3 fucking weeks since we posted anything, man. It's been pretty hard because it's just me, but we dropped. Look at this, man. Look at this fucking merch, eh? So the website's still up. It's gonna be up for like a couple more days from when this video is posted. All the orders have been shipped out already from the drop. So if you want something, get your order in because the website's gonna be closing pretty damn soon until the next drop we do. But yeah. This video pretty much just ordered some stuff from Rock Auto and slapped it all in, just kind of redid the cooling system. New water pump, new coolant sensor, and thermostat and shit like that. So you can watch that. Also, here's what else has happened. Fucking go in here, a little fucking paint booth setup. Boys, check this shit out. Fucking got the front end all primered. That'll be a separate video coming a little bit later. And you can see the hood, fenders, man. It's all white. Need to do the wet sand and then we'll put the base coat on, but yeah, pretty fired up with how that came out. Not too bad, I think. Fucking decent, man. Look at that coverage, eh? Right the fuck on. You can see the hood pin delete, which was real good. Can't even tell, man. Look at that. Fucking professional, man. Not even dicked at all. Anyways, Jesus. I gave Adam the good tripod. So I'm stuck here with the shitty old one, man. Piece of shit. Anyways, walking through the house here. Yeah. So, hoodies, t-shirts, hats, shift knobs, license plate frames, keychains. Fucking scope this shit, man. Top sellers, just go quick. Got the Marlboro. Got the small wheels for everyone, you know. Marlboro air fresheners. Mind the office organization right now. I've been going pretty fucking hard, so it's a bit of a mess, but I guess we'll get on with the video. Just wanted to give you guys a little heads up if you've been sleeping under a rock. We're still shipping out orders as per usual. We haven't heard anything from Canada Post yet. I mean, certain areas are suspended, but there's a message on the website you can check if you're still able to order shit. But yeah, fucking pick something up, man. Anyways, clickbait, yeah. I think I'm gonna put a turbo in the thumbnail. Sorry about it. It's not boosted yet, but it will be soon. Anyways, on with the video.
Sean Pizza on Dem Beats.
Alright, so we're back. Adam's still not here because I'm still stuck at home, but figured I'd make a video on what's going on with the 240 right now. So if you saw the intro, it is 4-lug now. I sold my Z32 front brakes and 5-lug stuff, swapped it to 4-lug. What we're gonna do today is I got a bunch of parts in the mail from Rock Auto. So a new water pump, fuel filter, a couple sensors, new thermostat. So we're gonna try and sort out the overheating issue. Hopefully it's not the head gasket or something fucked, I don't know. Last week we missed the upload. I tried to paint the Sylvia front end, at least primer it, but couldn't get the paint gun to work, so I ordered a new one. Hopefully that fixes it. And oh yeah, scope the you know. Also, I saw the comments from last video. You guys were talking about, oh, why does Noah seem so bummed? That's just the way I am, but I'm learning. We'll try and be more fired up in this video. Make it a little easier to watch. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, here's a little update of what's going on. Pulled the water pump. Look at this shit, man. Fucking crystallized on the inside. Thermostat looks like it's the fucking same one that's been in there since day one. So, that probably explains the overheating issue. I don't know. I just flushed the coolant out like 10 times because literally like chocolate milk. I don't know. Head gasket's probably blown, but what are you gonna do, you know? I think it'll be alright. It'll work out. So I'm gonna let the water dry. I'm gonna prep the surface with the new gaskets and then chuck everything back on. Alright, so right now I'm gonna change the thermostat and the sensor while I wait for the water pump to dry out. And yeah, should be pretty right on. I think it'll be alright. Flushed it for like 20 minutes. What I did is I just fed water through the upper radiator hose until it came out of the bottom of the rad clear, and that seemed to do quite a bit because a lot of shit came out, so should be pretty decent. Okay, so the new thermostat's in. Still have to do the gasket maker and put the housing back on. But this right here, I believe, is the sensor that goes to the gauge. So that's just this guy right here. So I'm going to be installing this next. Okay, old one, new one. You can see how worn this one is. It's probably, yeah, right on. Sprayed the housing. It's way too silver, man. This shit's like aluminum. I was trying to match it to the front cover, timing cover of the engine, but it's way off. That's all right though. Anyways, water pump and thermostat are in. The new sensor is in. What else am I doing today? I'm gonna put that on, and then we still have some more parts to chuck in. I'm waiting on spark plugs and some other things, but I have a fuel filter I could chuck in. I got a Z32 one because for some reason I thought it was better in a way, but really it's just a little bit bigger, so it's probably just gonna be more of a hassle, but what do, you know? Anyways, it's coming along. Hopefully most of the rust is cleared out because it was pretty bad. I mean, just look at the stuff. Just dicked. Alright, so just watch the video back. Wasn't even that fucking fired up, man. So sorry about it. Just give me a couple tries to get it all figured out, but I think this video needs a little more context before we end it. So got all the shit in, and turns out the thermostat still isn't opening when I try to bleed it, so did some research online, you know, the little skippy bobbly. Oh fuck. That was not a good idea. Oh, there goes the video. Well, shouldn't have done that, but so the thermostat's still not opening, so I ordered an OEM one. Hopefully that fixes it. And yeah, sorry again for the clickbait at the beginning of the video. But yeah, the store is live for a couple more days, and then we're gonna take it down. But yeah, so if you want something, make sure you get your order in. Just wanna let you guys know we're not fucking dead. We're still here. We're trying to figure it out. We're trying to get some videos. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this one. Thought we'd throw something up. But yeah, stay tuned for the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, also the giveaways, those are sent out. People have been asking because they haven't gotten them yet. There's probably just some delays on the old shipping there, but we're still sending them out. We're not going to do any giveaways in these videos just because like we've dropped and I'm super busy packing all the orders because obviously Adam can't come over here and help. So just been trying to blast those out. So giveaways will pick up again when everything goes back to normal. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. We're not dead. We're still alive. And we'll see you in the next one. Skidoo.